guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. This one is a 2018 Honda CRV SUV, and once the hit that rock unlock button and then open the door, drive side front is fine, but only does not open rear driver's rear door. So once they get into the door or inside the car, customer manually push the rock unlock knob and then open the door, can access it. So he wants to diagnose this symptom. We already diagnosed what's the problem, and then we open the door, access the door panel, and then check the wire in the latch connector. There's no rock unlock signal present. So we ordered the wire. It's already found this wire is broken. So once they remove the door panel, you guys needed to be removed this triangle, also the switch bezel, and then I strongly recommend this plastic trim tool. It's not much scratchy. And then once it pops out power window switch, and then disconnect the two power window switch connector from the connector, and then it has only one screw. I need a Phillips screwdriver, and then take out this screw from the behind the door power window switch. Insert the trim tools under the door trim. Gently pull out door panel hole assembly. I already off the retainers, so now easy to off the whole door trim. You guys see the all around the green and retainers. Now disconnect this tweeter wire retainer and then speaker connector. To access the wire, you guys needed to remove a speaker. Only one Phillips screwdriver, and then disconnect the speaker connector, and then disconnect from the latch, and then other retainer from the door body panel, and then detach the retainers, two of the top. And then this one is speaker connector. Also squeeze push in retainer to the wire retainer, and then disconnect the power window motor from the power window motor connector. And then now it's a whole pulled out whole wire like this. And the next step is door inside grommet rubber mat. So it's a take out, and the body side also take out using the screwdriver, even 90-degree pick tool. And then I'm gonna show where's the broken wire first. That's why I take out this rubber type grommet, and then look at that, it's not even one wire. There are so many wires broken. It looks like 7 or 8 more. That's why we ordered the whole wire assembly. So once you guys checking this area, maybe it does not work in power window, and then even if the door unlock function, and then sometimes speaker on the door latch function, so you guys should check this wire. And then I pull the wires more from the body B-pillar, and then disconnect this wire for assembly, and then pull the wire through the door inside, and then take out this whole wire assembly. Now I got the whole wire, the broken wires. Over the half of wires broken. So now order the new wire, and then now installed is much easier. It's the back of the remover. There's the right and left mark, and then looks like rear door is the left right hand partner of the same. And then once the L mark beside the left hand door, so that's why correct the wire, and then spray the silicone spray, much easier get into, and then make sure the L marker is the left handed side that's facing out. And then now install the wire and a grommet, the body side, door side, and I put the back to the all the wire to the wire motor, speaker, and then attach the retainer. And then now ready to back to the door panel, and then back of the remover, and then now back to the door panel. I check the auto function is nothing problem, so all functions work fine. The wire is so much weak, it's so much thin, it's a wires problem. Thank you for watching.